Hello everyone, hope all are fantastic. So today we are here to share 5 interesting free online courses which belongs to Asia's largest e-learning platform, that is Udemy. As we are doing these online course videos, to know more about the value of e-learning courses comes from Udemy and importance of their certifications. We all know that we'll be certified once we complete the learning part videos of a particular course, and still many of you people are thinking about that how these certifications helps. Yes, if you enroll these all courses which we are providing, which we are intimating you daily, you will be getting certification for damn sure once you complete that particular course in your interested stream, and you will be with a pot of knowledge. You can enhance your skills, and also you can add to your resume. You can present the skills in front of HRs or any other officials. So if you are with none certifications and you are excited to take free online courses in this lockdown time, don't miss to watch to our videos daily and subscribe to our channel immediately to know more updates. Yes, in this video, you will be going to know about 5 best courses. The very first one is Business Development Principles for Small Businesses. The second one is Complete Photography. And the third is HTML5 Basic to Advanced. Fourth one is Introduction to Cloud Computing on Amazon AWS for beginners. And the final one, fifth one is Learn Cinema 4D Low Poly Wolf. Here we go. The first one is Business Development Principles for Small Businesses. We can see the growth concepts every business leader needs to know to acquire customers, beat the competition, and increase sales. Actually, it has published recently on 8th of this month. So 1350 students had enrolled. So be the one in the enroll list. Instead of paying 6,400 rupees, it is 100% off and only one day left at this price. You can also see the learning part, so that is how to convey value in everything you do, tips for listening to your customers and really understanding their needs, create a winning pricing strategy, how to make good decisions based on the growth stage of business, understand the customer buying funnel and use it to your advantage, understanding and achieving product market fit, how to look for and fix flaws in your business mode, the goal setting framework used by top companies like Google and Intel. So you can see that it is 2 hours video, full time access, and you will be getting certification once you complete this complete course. So copy the coupon and apply for it. Complete your enroll part. You can also see the modules here. Only 8 sections are there, and which is of 12 hours only. So don't be late. Hurry up, guys. And the second course is Complete Photography. If you are a photography lover, you surely need to take this course. Here you can see 21 courses in one, that is beginner to expert. We can learn portrait photography, landscape photography, stock photography, photography composition, black and white, and many more. 1305 students given the 4.2 rating out of 5, and 60,000 plus students had enrolled to it. It has published recently. Got in this less span of time, 60,000 students had enrolled. So you are getting the opportunity, that is instead of paying 8,640 rupees, it is 100% off, which is 2 days left only at this price. You can also see the course content, description, everything. It is of 8.5 hours and full time access. You will be getting certification once you complete this course. You can see the course content, everything here. So copy the coupon and apply for it. Do the enroll part. The third course is HTML5 Basics to Advanced. Here a beginner's guide for HTML5. We can learn all concepts of HTML5 from basics to advanced with hands-on assignments and projects. Already 33,000 plus students had enrolled to it, and it is 100% off instead of paying 1280 rupees, and only one day left at this price. You can also see the course content, everything here. It is of 3.5 hours on demand video, 2 downloadable resources, and full-time access will be certified after the completion of this course. You can see that introduction part, HTML basics, new features in HTML5, HTML tables, HTML forms, embedding multimedia, vector graphics, final project. And copy the coupon, apply for it, do the enroll part. And the fourth course is Introduction to Cloud Computing on Amazon AWS for beginners. Here we can learn the AWS cloud and become a practitioner, learn cloud computing concepts and the basics of Amazon Web Services AWS. 28,139 students had enrolled to this. So if you are interested to know about this, you can enroll. Instead of paying 1,600 rupees, it is 100% off now. So 2 days left at this price. You can see the course content here, everything you can see, that is 8 hours demand video and full-time access, certification after the completion of course. So copy the coupon and apply for it. And the final fifth course is Learn Cinema 4D Low Poly ULF. Here we can start learning Cinema 4D by creating a low poly ULF in this quick and easy course. 21,000 plus students had enrolled to this. So it is old published course which is published on 2016. It is in English, and instead of paying 3,200 rupees, it is 100% off. Only one day left at this price. If you are interested to enroll or to see the course, you can enroll. What I want to say is, if you want to do a course, you can able to see all the requirements and description and the learning points. So just follow those and try to analyze them, try to read them all the things, and you will better know the course value. So copy the coupon and apply for it. And this Udemy is giving us best chance to enroll for free and allowing us to learn something new daily. So if you once miss this all things, courses, you again cannot get this golden opportunity and this valuable time too. So utilize this time. Hope everyone do that. And eventually I'll end up this video with a quote: never stop learning, for when we stop learning, we stop growing. It is said by Loyal Jack Levon. If you like this video, again put a like for us and subscribe to our channel. Share to your maximum friends so that everyone can know the new things daily. Kindly don't miss all these courses. Thanking you, yours Educo Career.